Here are two lines and one arc. All these are tangent to one another. Draw center line and dimension this whole sketch of front plane. With the help of dimension and relation, this sketch is completed. Exit the sketch and then click on extrude surface to create a surface that is look like front plane of fork. Click OK and then click on top plane. Create the top plane sketch according to dimensions. Now top plane sketch is created. Exit the sketch. Then click on the split line command in the surface tab. Select sketch and then faces and click OK. Choose projection. Now the sketch is projected on the already existing surface. There are extra faces. Go to surface tab and click on delete face. Select all extra faces and click OK. Now surface like fork is ready. Click on thick and given the 1 mm thickness, then click on fillet and give fillet appropriate fillet to this model. Now click on appearance and give any appearance to the fork. Model is ready. Apply any scene so that it look like good. That's it. For more videos, subscribe our channel, and if you like this video, click on like button. Thanks.